Hey y'all, so I was watching one of my favorite movies the other day, Scarface, and I was thinking how gorgeous Michelle Pfeiffer looks as Elvira Hancock, and that first scene that you see her in when she's got on that beautiful satin green dress with spaghetti straps, low cut, it's backless. Some sites on the internet say it was blue. To me it looks green. If you see blue, go for blue. Anyway, I'm gonna try to recreate that look. This is my first time ever making a video trying to recreate a look, although I dressed up as Amy Winehouse for Halloween last year. I think it was a pretty good look. I'll show y'all a picture. Just want to show y'all a little bit about how I go about recreating looks that I really like, that I think are really pretty. I'm gonna recreate this look in my own way. You guys let me know what you think. By the way, I'm fixing to apply my makeup. I'm not a makeup artist, so I'm just gonna kind of do it the best that I can. Everybody's interpretation is gonna be different. Every mood is gonna be different. Maybe you want to take one element from her look. Maybe you want to just take the hairstyle. Maybe you want to just take the dress. Maybe you want to take an element of the dress. Maybe you want to go with just the color, but a different style, a different cut. Maybe you love the cut and the style, but you want a different color. So basically, I think you should go after whichever elements that you want from that look. I'm gonna stay as close to that look as possible. I did go with a shorter dress, and this is actually a nightgown that I purchased off of Amazon. So I went with this nightgown that had the same cut, low cut, spaghetti straps, backless, but it's short. I didn't want to invest too much in this look because, I mean, this was just kind of for fun. This was pretty close to her dress in the movie. I just wasn't crazy about the waistline. I didn't feel like it would be flattering to me personally. So I think it's best to just base it on your body type and what you know looks good on you, what feels good on you. And I am not a makeup artist, so please don't judge me there. I do my makeup the best way that I know how. She has a pretty natural look. There's nothing really too heavy or dark going on there, but I'm gonna try to get as close to that as possible. But I'm just gonna, again, try to get my version of her hairstyle. Now I'm just curling under. I feel like I could have used a smaller curler for this. I would say my budget for this was around $20. Okay, y'all, so that was kind of fun. That was my version of Elvira Hancock from Scarface. Just a little do-it-yourself fun. But now I'm gonna change it up. Okay, So in the movie, Elvira has the drop earrings, but I thought these were really pretty, and I just thought they would kind of look really pretty with the dress. So I went with these, and I've got this bracelet also from the beauty supply store, and it's just a little cheap costume tennis bracelet, but it's shiny, it's sparkly. I didn't want to invest much in this little costume or outfit or whatever you want to call it. So, but obviously you can go on Amazon or, you know, your favorite site to look for jewelry and find something more specific if you want to invest a little bit more or spend a little more on something that you're really going to wear a lot. I actually bought 2 of these because I might layer both of them together and make just a little bit more sparkly, a little bit more noticeable. So, but that was literally like $2. I think they were $1 a piece. So definitely check out your local beauty supply store because there's all kinds of stuff in there that you can find really, really cheap.